see how this meat is being processed, I'm not sure you will agree to eat meat. So you have to wash with salt or you wash with white vinegar. So here is our Isiewu, okay? You just have to use this to top it up, okay? You can do like... Welcome back, guys. So these are the Isiewu that we'll be using to make this Isiewu. So it's going to be how to make Isiewu. So Isiewu, I'll be putting a picture of how Isiewu looks like, and then when it's well cut. And Isiewu comes with the body and then the brain. Don't worry, don't bother about the fish you're seeing. So these are the brain. I usually tell them to tie it in a nylon for me. So this is 1 brain, 2 brain, 3 brain. So we'll be working with 4 Isiewu, but 1 is not here yet. So this is 3 Isiewu. I just want to show you. So when they cut this Isiewu into pieces, you're going to have the ear, for which you'll be washing, and then the tongue. I just want to show you a picture of what a tongue looks like. So this is the tongue. Viewers discretion advised. So this is a well-cut Isiewu, and this is 3 Isiewu. When you are in the market, always tell them to remove the hairs from this Isiewu, like this one you're seeing now. But some hairs, they can't remove it. So they've already roasted this, and it's this way. So it's left for you to either cut it off or you wash it very well so that your client doesn't eat sand. So this is the ear and this ear. Because some customers, they will tell you that they did not see their 1 ear. So I always make sure that when I'm cooking, I'm not chopping anybody's meat before somebody will go and count the ears. So these are the ears. So I'll be washing all this right now. I'll be getting into the next process. So I'll be adding salt. This is salt. So I'll be adding it on top of the Isiewu, because you know, if you see how this meat is being processed, I'm not sure you will agree to eat meat. So you have to wash with salt or you wash with white vinegar, but I'll be using salt. So massage this salt in, like rub it on the meat very well. Like this. Massage it very well before you start washing your meat. Be easy with the bone. One has already chooked me now. So be easy with the bone before you start washing. So I'm going to be adding into this pot while I'm washing and wash again. So that is it. So guys, I'm done washing our Isiewu, and the only ingredients that we'll be using to wash, the only ingredients that we'll be needing to spice this Isiewu is just salt and Maggi, no cubes. Now if you have goat meat spice, you can add to it, but these are the 2 items that I will be using. You can also add onions into your Isiewu, but I will only be spicing with Maggi and salt. Okay, let's add a twist and add onions, but for now let me add the ones that I have here. So we'll be adding in our Maggi. Please, I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well. I have kata, like serious one. So that is why I'm talking this way. So these are altogether 4 cubes. That is 2 packs. And then we'll be adding salt. Salt again, yes. So that it will be spiced very well. So that when you're turning your Isiewu or making your Isiewu, it will be well spiced. So this is it. You can shake your pot. Hold on. So guys, I finished spicing Isiewu, and you'll be asking what is inside this nylon. This is the brain, and I don't want it to scatter with the meat, so that is why I hide it in this nylon. Okay, yeah, so we'll be cooking it right now. So guys, here is this is the boiled Isiewu. Okay, we have boiled it. You have to keep boiling until the bone gets soft or the meat gets soft. So this is the brain. You have to also cook the brain so that it gets soft, because this will serve as a thickener. Some people use ungu, while some people use akang in doing their ncha, but this will serve as my ncha. So we'll still boil this for some time, then that is it. So guys, in making our Isiewu, I'll be showing you the ingredients that you need. So this is goat's brain. This will serve as our thickener. This is opaka, also known as oil bean. Is it? I don't know. This is crayfish. This is red pepper. This is nut cubes. This is salt. This is ehuru, English nutmeg. Maybe that's what they call it. Then this is our otazi for garnishing and our onions for garnishing, and we have oil here. I'm trying to bring it out, okay? Not bring it out. So these are the things that we'll be needing for making our isiewu, and we also have mortar here. We'll be making use of this mortar here. So guys, we will start by adding our ehuru. So usually this ehuru, if you go to the market, you will see the one that has a back. Now what market people do is that they will roast it, remove the back, and they sell it like this. Okay, so I'll be adding this too. Yeah, and you'll be pounding. We have finished pounding, and this is how it looks. You can also just swirl your mortar this way, and after that we'll be adding in our goat meat brain. Yeah, we'll be adding in our goat meat brain. This will serve as our thickener. This is well cooked also, so we'll be adding this into the mortar for us to pound it very well. And look at it. So you will have to pound. So we are done pounding. Make sure you swirl your mortar very well on it. So right now we'll be adding in our palm oil. Yeah. Oh God. Whoa. You come. I think that was too much. We'll be adding in our crayfish, our salt, our nut cubes, and our pepper. So here we go. So I want to add oba inside here so that it will get cooked with the isiewu. When I was making video, I forgot I was going to add it. So you cover this. So guys, you can see how thick this is. So yummy. Like, look how thick it is. See, oh. And this is the consistency I want. Nekwanya, neya. You check for taste. We'll be adding in our isiewu right now. So right now we'll be turning our isiewu. Okay. Turn very well. If you need to add water so that it will be a little bit runny for you, add more water. Okay, so we'll be adding in some water right now. Yeah, that's enough. And there is a flavor and a scent that if you add onions while turning your isiewu, like there is a scent it usually gives. So I'll be adding in small onions, and I'll be adding in little otazi. Okay, I will still use otazi for the garnishing, but this one, if you mix it in while turning, it gives it a different taste too. So let's turn. Remember that you can check for taste. Yeah. So guys, here is isiewu all done and dusted. Okay, and I'll be serving it with this local pot. This is the pot that all these restaurants usually use to serve their Isiewu, okay? My own is even big. If you see their own is like this small thing. That pot is scam, but my own is no scam. Oh? So let's do this. So here is our Isiewu, okay? You just have to use this to top it up, okay? You can do like like this, okay? And then you can use POTASH, top it up, okay? Okay. One package you like here. You want to go? So here's it. So guys, here is our Isiewu. Hey, this thing should not follow. All done and dusted. Okay? Look at it. In our hookware. Lele. Cuckoo. Le kwaya. Ifugoya. So guys, I usually like warming my Isiewu again whenever I finish making it on the mortar. I don't know why, but I just want it to be warm as I'm putting it, so that whenever the rider comes to get it, or how long they happen to stay with it, it will still retain its hotness or warmness before they get to the inner. So this is what I'm doing here, and don't warm it too much so that the thickness will not just run too watery. So that is what I'm doing.